Hey Amaludians, welcome to Hamaluded YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to break down and explain in details how my trade setups for the week and how we plan to execute all of them. Starting from JPB JPY on the daily time frame to establish the structure by using Amaluded blueprint formula. On the daily time frame, the structure of the market was high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then price action changed the structure last week to instead of price to form lower high for the continuation of the bearish structure on daily time frame, but the price changed the structure back to new high. Now we're expecting price to form higher low, higher high, higher low for the continuation of bullish structure established last week. Now, after establishing our sentiment on the daily time frame, where we're expecting the market to head to this week, the next step is to establish our frequency key level. What are the frequency key level? Then we have a frequency key zone around this place, serving as resistance. Price is heading to this upper resistance. At this resistance, two things must happen. We're expecting the price to sell from here, from the resistance, or price action should break the resistance to the upper side. Then we wait for a pullback here so that we can take a buy opportunity. And another criteria that supports our bullish sentiment for the week is the downtrend line of the daily week on the daily time frame rather has been invalidated, right? Price action is now trading above this downtrend line, which makes it a downtrend line breakout. And whenever we encounter a a, a downtrend line, a long-term downtrend that has been invalidated by the price action, is a sign that the price action wants to change the direction to the opposite sentiment. Now, the initial market sentiment was bearish, right? Now, as a result of this downtrend line invalidation, the price action is now back to bullish sentiment. Right now, as a price action trader, our sentiment is to scale down to the lower time frame and watch out for price action to break this resistance here. Then wait for a retest so that we can take a buy opportunity. That is the sentiment on GPB USD. And the next pairs on our watch list is Euro USD. On Euro USD, what we are expecting the market to do this week is either the market break this resistance here, and if you look at the resistance here, it was serving as support here. Price broke it down to the lower side, which turned it towards resistance. Price went up again to retest it. The zone was retested last week. The price sold at the resistance zone. Now this week again, the price is going up again to retest this resistance zone, which makes it a valid key level, right? Now, two things must happen at this key level, which is the resistance zone. It's either the price sell from the resistance or price to break it to the upper side, then wait for a retest so that we can take a buy opportunity. But our sentiment on Euro USD is to buy this week. We want the price action to break this resistance here, then we wait for a retest here so that we can take a buy opportunity. And another factor that supports our sentiment, our bullish sentiment on Euro USD, is that the daily downtrend line has been taken out. It has been taken out, and the price action is also trading above our moving average here. You can see the price action is trading above the moving average, which gives us another confirmation that the buyers are back in the game. So we want the price action to break this resistance here, to break this upper resistance, then we wait for a pullback here so that we can take a buy opportunity. That is our sentiment on Euro USD. And on AUD USD, our sentiment on AUD USD is also bullish. We want the price action to break this resistance here. And this we want the price action to break this resistance to the upper side. Then we wait for a pullback here so that we can take buy opportunity. And let's check what is going on AUD card. On AUD card, the sentiment is also bullish. If you look at the price action structure or the daily time frame, the initial structure was bearish, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then the recent lower high during this bearish market structure has been taken out, right? Now we are now having new higher high, higher low. We're expecting the market to continue this bullish movement throughout this week. And what happened last week? Market broke out this resistance zone here. The last week we had a breakout that a retest here. Now this week now we are experiencing the expansion zone, the impulsive movement this week, whereby we're expecting this bullish sentiment to continue the journey throughout this week. Now let's get on to 4 hours time frame on AUD card so that we can see how we can join the moving train. Now the structure on the 4 hours time frame is also bullish, right? Whereby we're having high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then for the continuation of the bullish structure, we're expecting a new higher high here. Now let's establish our key level zone here. These are key level zone around this place now. So if the price action break this resistance on AUD card here, then we're expecting a pullback around this zone so that we can take buy opportunity. And another factor to back our sentiment is that the daily downtrend line has been invalidated, right? Price is now trading above the daily downtrend line. Then price action is also trading above our moving average, which makes it a valid price action bullish structure. Now the next pair on our watch list is Euro card. On the daily time frame on Euro card, you see that the structure is now back to bullish. The buyers are back in the game, but I don't like the price action that I'm seeing on Euro card, so I will not want to pay much attention on Euro card this week because I don't like the structure. So it's not going to be part of my pairs that I'm watching throughout this week. Now let's check USD and see what the price action is doing on the daily time frame. Remember, there are 3 phases of market structure. We have the bullish structure, bearish structure, and the ranging price action. Whenever the price is ranging, you are supposed to stay out of the market and I'll wait for a breakout of the ranging zone. Now, looking at the daily time frame price action, you agree with me that the price action is what? Is ranging, is consolidating on the daily time frame of USD CHF. Now, what you have to do as a professional price action trader is to box out this consolidation zone. Then wait for days or for weeks or for months, depending on the volatility of the pair, and watch out for a breakout either to the downside here, wait for a pullback, then we take a sell opportunity, or we wait for price to break it to the upper side, wait for a pullback, then we take a buy opportunity. That is our sentiment. That is our market forecast on USD CHF for the week. And let's see Euro CHF market sentiment. Now on the daily time frame of Euro CHF, I don't like the price action that I'm seeing here. It's kind of like ranging, so I'll also box it out with my rectangle tool. Then watch out for a breakout to the upper side. Then I take a buy opportunity, or wait for a breakout to the downside. Then I take a sell opportunity. And let's see what the price action is doing on gold. Now look, if you look at the overall direction on the daily time frame of gold, you agree with me that the structure is bullish, strongly bullish, right? Now what you have to do throughout this week is to focus on buying alone on Euro USD on the daily time frame. Market structure is bullish, and let us establish the last frequency resistance that was taken out, now turn into support on the daily time frame of gold USD. Let's map out the key level zone now. Look at the resistance on the daily time frame. What we're going to watch out for is to wait for price action to pull back to this key level zone here, and then we can take a buy opportunity. And the price did not retest this key level zone. We have to allow the price action to what, to move in its own direction. We are not going to force it. Our sentiment throughout this week on gold is to keep on buying. The buyers are the one dominating the market, right? So, and let us see what the price action is doing on BTC USD, on the daily time frame of Bitcoin USD, and then the price action is the minor structure of the price action on the daily time frame is currently bullish. It's currently bullish now, and price is about to retest the key level zone on the daily time frame here, right? Price is about to retest the key level zone whereby we are currently having low, higher high. Price kind of like retesting this support here for a buy opportunity. And let's get down to 4 hours time frame to see what the price action is doing, right? So now price action is already at the daily key level zone. We just have to pay close attention to the price action by considering volume reduction at this point of interest, weak rejection at this point of interest. Then we watch out for our reversal chart pattern for our execution. Make sure you pay attention to see all these three signs to form before you take any decision on BTC USD. These are the pairs that we are watching throughout this week in our academy. Please, all these setups are all in probability. Market has a final decision, but the most important thing is just for you to apply all our trade setups on your trading view and watch the setup to play out. And another thing I want to remind you guys is that losses are inevitable in this game. You understand? Whenever you eat or you encounter losing streak, you just have to calm yourself, so that you stay away from the market or you reduce your risk so that you can keep on trading until the odds fall in your favor. See you guys next time.